In the quiet moments of life, sometimes the most significant messages are delivered in whispers, not shouts. Today, we decode the subtle signals of a partner's silent pleas for help, unearth the unseen cries that beg to be heard. Welcome back to Couch Psychology, Life and Love Explained. In the complex dance of relationships, not every call for help comes with a clear label. Often it's the subtleties, the nuances that signal a partner's need for support. It might be in the shift of their gaze, the weight of their silence, or the undertone of their laughter. These signs, easily overlooked in the daily rush, are crucial lifelines thrown out, hoping to be caught. Recognizing these signals is not just about keen observation, it's an art, a demonstration of deep connection and understanding. It requires us to be present, empathetic, and responsive. Today, we delve into five not necessarily obvious signs that your partner is crying for help. This guide is not just about identifying these cries, but responding to them in a way that deepens your bond and fosters an environment of mutual support and understanding. Let's embark on this journey with open hearts and minds, ready to be the pillar of strength our partners need when they find it hard to ask for it directly. So let's begin. 5 signs. Sign number 1, changing communication patterns. A sudden decrease or increase in communication can be a red flag. Perhaps your partner has become unusually quiet, or maybe they're more talkative, but about superficial matters, avoiding real issues. This shift might indicate they're struggling with something internally and don't know how to express it. Being observant and gently encouraging open dialogue can help bridge this gap. Number 2, withdrawal from social activities. If your partner, once social and outgoing, starts declining invitation or avoids social gatherings they previously enjoyed, it could signal they're experiencing internal turmoil. This withdrawal is often a cry for help, a sign they may need support but feel unable to ask for it explicitly. Number 3, unexplained irritability or mood swings. Sudden changes in mood or an uncharacteristic tendency to snap over minor issues can be indicative of deeper problems. This behavior isn't necessarily directed at you, but could be a manifestation of their internal struggles. Approaching these situations with patience and understanding can open the door to meaningful conversations. Number 4, changes in sleep patterns or appetite. Significant changes in basic physiological functions like sleep or appetite are often overlooked signs of emotional distress. Whether it's insomnia, oversleeping, or changes in eating habits, these shifts could be your partner's non-verbal plea for help. Finally, number 5, diminished interest in shared activities. When your partner shows less interest in activities you used to enjoy together, it may not just be a phase, it could be a sign they're grappling with issues they feel unable to share, losing interest in what once brought them joy as a result. So, recognizing your partner's cries for help is an act of love, a testament of your commitment to navigate the complexities of life together. It requires vigilance, compassion, and an unwavering willingness to support each other through thick and thin. These signs, subtle as they may be, are powerful indicators of a partner's need for understanding and support. By being attentive to these changes, we not only offer a lifeline, but also strengthen the bonds of our relationship. ensuring that no cry for help goes unheard. Let's commit to being observant, empathetic partners our loved ones deserve, ready to respond to their silent pleas with open arms and hearts. Thank you for joining me on this journey at Couch Psychology, Life and Love Explained. Remember, love is not just about the grand gestures. It's in the quiet moments of understanding and support that true connection is forged. Until next time, keep listening, keep loving. Let's continue to make the invisible visible together.